එක significant point එකක් තියෙනවා. At the beginning of the 21st century, United States had only about 50 drones, less than 50 drones. During the next 10 years, they were able to increase their arsenal up to 7,000 between 2000 to 2010.
Because they realized the importance of it, ne?
They realized the importance. As a result of it, in 2008 onwards, United States Air Force started shrinking their budget. It starts from the top of the government. Again, government again project defense budget shrink කරන්න පටන් ගත්තා. ඒක US Air Force එකේ 2.5 වගේ budget cut එකක් තිබ්බා. ඒකෙදි මේගොල්ලෝ උගාක් focus කරන්න පටන් ගත්තා සර් මේ drone research and development rather than manufacturing man operated aircraft. ඒක සර්ට මතක රීකෝල් කරන්න පුළුවන් නම් අර මේ Maverick film එකේ අර admiral කියන්නේ සර් මේ it's useless to invest on 9G fighter, it's better to go with
9-back fighter is going for drones කියලා.
ඒක තමයි සර් ඇත්තටම ඒක ඉතින් just තියෙන කතන්දරේ ඕක තමයි.